Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare affiliate tracking authentication step by step clearly. To begin, you need to log in to your Cloudflare account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the domain for which you want to enable affiliate tracking. In the dashboard, look for that Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to open the Applications menu. In the Apps menu, search for Affiliate Tracking. Select the Affiliate Tracking app from the results. You will be taken to the App Settings page. Locate the API key field on this page. Copy your existing API key or generate a new one if necessary. Next, navigate to the Settings tab under the Affiliate Tracking app. In the Settings, look for the Authentication section. Here, you will find options for setting up your tracking authentication. Select the method of authentication you prefer. For example, you might choose API key or OAuth. If you choose API key, paste your copied key into the field provided. For OAuth, you will need to follow the prompts to connect your account. After entering your authentication details, review all settings to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating your authentication has been set up. At this point, your affiliate tracking with Cloudflare is now authenticated. You can start using the features of affiliate tracking for your domain. Make sure to test the setup to confirm it is working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.